Lonnie, what the f are you doing here? I'm in this man's car. That's what you have to say for yourself? You don't want to say nothing else? You don't want to say nothing else?
What's going on? You're weird.
I'm weird.
You got my location or something?
I'm weird?
You're a stalker.
Bet.
What is going on?
So you just gonna act like nothing happened? You don't know what's going on right now. Lonnie, you're not stupid. Stop acting stupid.
Don't call me stupid. What are you doing?
Stop doing stupid things then.
What are you doing?
Stop doing stupid things. I'm here because I caught your ass. So you gonna deny it? You gonna deny it? You gonna deny it? What you got? You got leftovers in your hand. You tell me what you was doing.
I can't go eat with a friend?
No. Who is this nigga? That's your friend?
None of your business.
Bet. None of
That's none of your business. Yo,
my business. Your boyfriend. That's none of my business. Yeah, okay. You know how stupid you look right now? You know how stupid you look right now?